So in this video we're going to show you how to make a garden box in your backyard. So before we roll into this, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll reply back to you. Let's grab some hardware and get to work. The first thing you're going to want to do is to pick an area in your backyard, and if you need to level it out, till it up a little bit, grab a couple of rakes or a tiller and till up the area before you build the box and put it down. So for wood, what you're going to need is 3 lengths of 2 by 6 by 8 pieces of pressure treated wood and some ground to put on the bottom of the box to keep the weeds out, and you'll let the water weep through. You don't want the water to pool up at the bottom of your garden box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these boards and we're going to cut it in half so it'll be 4 feet on center, and those will be our ends. What you're going to need is about 15 to 18 bags of topsoil to put into the box when you're done building it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is going to build the box for the gardening bed. So I have some 3.5-inch deck screws that I purchased when I was at Home Depot. So I'm going to use these, the coarse thread, they'll withstand the elements outside. So what you want to do is you want to build the box on a level surface. So I'm going to use my driveway right here. So when you put this together, make sure you're on a flat area so that everything comes out square. I'm going to use my square right here to make sure that my corners are square. Set. Okay, cut.
Go ahead.
Cut. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're just kind of test fitting the area that we cleared off. We got rid of some of the top cover with grass and stuff like that. So we tilled this up. We've seen how the box fits in there. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to kind of level off the box a little bit, and then we'll put some ground cover down. Alright, so we have our garden box all leveled. It's on the dirt. It's all tilled up underneath. So now we're going to lay in the water barrier, the weed barrier underneath, and we'll put our topsoil on top of that. that you have your weed barrier down, you can put your topsoil in, start filling it up. So now we're done building our backyard garden. The longest part, the thing that took us the longest is clearing off some of the grass and making room for the garden. But once that was done, it probably only took us about 45 minutes to actually build it and fill it up with dirt. We threw a couple of pepper plants in there already, so we're gonna add to it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.